News in detail. In the Union Budget 2025, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman outlined measures to promote employment, particularly through tourism, youth engagement and support for farmers and women. Key proposals include developing 50 tourist destinations, enhancing Mudra loans for homestays, expanding broadband to rural schools and increasing funding for nutrition schemes. The government also plans to establish 50,000 Atal Tinkering Labs, promote Indian language books and set up 200 daycare cancer centers in district hospitals by 2026. Additionally, the new tax regime will exempt individuals earning up to 12 lakh rupees annually from income tax, providing significant relief to the middle class.
Tourism for employment-led growth. Top 50 tourist destination sites in the country will be developed in partnership with states through a challenge mode. Land for building key infrastructure will have to be provided by the states. Hotels in these destinations will be included in the infrastructure harmonized list. Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0. Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0 program provides nutritional support to more than 8 crore children, 1 crore pregnant women and lactating mothers all over the country, and about 20 lakh adolescent girls in aspirational districts and the Northeast region. I am now happy to announce that there will be no income tax payable up to income of 12 lakh rupees.